welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. Today I am doing a swipe using some piggies and tube paints on a round canvas, and I'm going to do a little tilting and spinning. Want to kind of create some negative space. As you know, I've been really playing a lot with negative space, so I'm really liking these round canvases for that, because it just really gives your eye something to look at. So let's get down the canvas. We'll get started with the colors and what I plan on doing. Be right back. All right, everyone, so I'm going to do a little quick video. I got a 16-inch round. I'm really liking painting on the rounds because it's fun, it's easy to keep some negative space, and it also gives you some design. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a swipe onto this. I'm going to put down my PPG base coat first, pillow paint. Let's just give this a quick spin, spread that out a little bit. Nice. Keep that open just in case I need a little bit more paint. I'll tell you these colors as I go. All right. That should be enough paint. If I need a little bit more, I'll put some more on. So let's go with the first color. This is a piggy color, and this is Mosh. This is a piggy color in Ore. This is Pebeo in Violet Blue. This here is Sapphire, and this here is a permanent red from Creative Inspirations. Bring this down a little bit. All right. I think what I'll do, add a little more orange in there. All right. Now, my swipe color is Amsterdam in Payne's Gray. All my mixtures will be in the description box below. So I'm just gonna pour, get you guys some here on the back of my palette knife. Load it up. Let it drip off the back. Let's do a little testing. Since this side over here will definitely come off, let's pick a little up, go up under, First thing I'm gonna do is just bring it down just a little bit this way. Okay. Let's give it a little spin. There we go. This side over here down a little bit. All right, gonna leave it right there. Love the swipe and the lines that's coming through there. Really cool. All right, I'm gonna clean up these edges and I'm gonna bring you guys down. All right, guys, here we are with the wet result. Love this little swooshy line here. All right, we'll see this one is dry. All right, guys, here we are with the dried result. Check out that sapphire. It's just so bright and blue. I love it, but I'm loving the negative space. All right, everyone, that's it. So that is the piece. I mean, it could go any way you want it, but I think I like it like that. I think one of my favorite things in this is this swoop that's down here. I really, really love it. But look at how the piggies are just bright and shiny. I love this piece a lot. So I will definitely put some resin on this bad boy and get her up for sale. So that's gonna do it. Thanks so much for watching. Aren't we so happy that Miss Mina is back? So welcome back, Mina. I'm glad you're finally back in the studio and painting again. So let's head over. I think Kelly might be next, or it's either Nate. I haven't talked to them yet, so I don't know the order we're going in. So any case, after this, we're heading to one of those two chairs. All right, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.